Hello friends, hope you are all doing very well. I hope you have watched my previous video that was regarding interconversion of states of matter. Today we are studying about different processes that are associated with change of state. The very first process is vaporization. Vaporization is a change of state from liquid to gas on heating, and it occurs in two ways: boiling and evaporation. So first of all, we will do boiling. What is boiling? It is change of state from liquid to vapor on heating, but it occurs at a fixed temperature. Different liquids, they have different boiling points. And what is this boiling point? It is the temperature at which a liquid starts boiling and starts changing into vapor state. So for water, the boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees Celsius. That pure water starts evaporating at boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. Now what happens at particle level? To understand it, just go through this diagram. Yes, we have taken some beaker in the water. So if we are discussing about its molecular form. So molecules are farther apart. Because these are, when the heat is supplied to the water, they change into vapors. Now what happens at the particle level? We have taken a molecule of water. So when the heat is applied, the interparticle forces or intermolecular forces present between the molecules, they weaken. And as a result, the molecules get free and come into the vapor state. So this is what happens at the particle level. Now, to understand the boiling, there is an experiment on page number 9 and 10. So just go through it. What happens? It tells us how to find out the boiling point of water. Then what we will do, according to the diagram, we will set all the apparatus in the lab, and we take some water in the beaker and thermometer which is set along with the stand. Before we start the process, start heating, take the temperature. Then start heating the water. You will find that the temperature in the thermometer start rising. And you will see that when it reaches 100 degrees Celsius, the water starts boiling. You keep on heating the water, the temperature does not increase. So where does this heat goes? Temperature should rise, but it is not rising. It is only 100 degrees Celsius. So this heat, this additional heat that is given to the liquid, but it does not increase the temperature, it is known as a latent heat of vaporization. So this heat does not increase the temperature, it only changes the state from liquid to vapor. So this is known as the latent heat of vaporization. Our next process of vaporization is evaporation. Evaporation, that is a very slow process, continuously going all around us. Your mother has spread clothes in after washing, so they dry up. This is all due to evaporation. She mops the floor, and where does the water go? It evaporates. So this is what evaporation is. So evaporation is also change of state from liquid to vapor, but at any temperature. It is not at a fixed temperature. And the other difference between boiling and evaporation is that boiling occurs throughout the liquid. It is not that only the surface part of the liquid or the bottom part of the liquid boils and the other. No, it occurs throughout the liquid, whereas evaporation occurs at the surfaces only. So what happens at particle level in evaporation? That particles, they are continuously moving, heating, colliding each other, and as a result their kinetic energy increases. So what happens? This further increase the kinetic energy of the molecules that are present at the surface, and their bonds break, they get free, and they are free to go in the surroundings as water vapors. So this is what happens at particle level. Now there are 5 factors that affect evaporation. These factors are nature of the liquid, temperature, surface area, circulation of air, and humidity. So we will discuss one by one. First is nature of the liquid. Some liquids evaporate very fast, some very slow. If you take a drop of water in one palm and drop of spirit or your sanitizer on the other hand, which will evaporate first? Of course your sanitizer or acetone or alcohol, because these are volatile liquids. They evaporate very easily at a very low temperature. So this is because nature of the liquid is different. So next point is temperature. When you increase the temperature, the rate of evaporation will be increased. That is why when your mother spreads clothes and it is very sunny, now the temperature is quite high, so the clothes dry up very quickly. So temperature also increases the rate of evaporation. Then surface area. More the surface area, the rate of evaporation will be fast. So that is why by mistake when you pour some water on the floor, you have to mop it so that you spread it and it evaporates quickly. And then circulation of air. Why does your mother, after the mopping, she switches on the fans? Because evaporation increases with circulation of air. And the last factor is humidity. Humidity is amount of water vapors present in the air. So humidity decreases the rate of evaporation. So these were the factors that affect evaporation. Now try to find some answers. There is a topic effect of evaporation on page number 11 and 12. Please go through this topic and answer my questions. My questions are: how do earthen pitchers keep water cool? My second question is: why do doctors recommend wet sponging during high fever? Third question is: cotton clothes are more comfortable during summer. Why? So I am leaving you with these questions. Try to find the answers and we will do the rest of the processes in next video. Thank you.